Hello, dear participants of the Young Endoscopy Forum 2026. My name is Alina Aleshacheva. I am endoscopist from Russia. I work in oncology hospital in the small northern city of Vologda. I want to share my experience as a participant in the International Young Endoscopy Award Program 2025. I decided to gain new knowledge in endoscopy, explore the details of ASD, and of course, meet new friends. I am grateful to the program organization for the excellent training course. You should definitely visit this forum. I studied at the Sun Medical Center. It's hard to describe how thankful I am to Professor Chong Hoon Young, who gave daily lecture and explained the basic of the physiology, pathophysiology, anatomy and endoscopy in the practice of the gastroenterologist. I gained a new perspective for the problem of chronic atrophic gastritis associated with Helicobacter pylori. He shared his philosophy of communications with cancer patients, which is important for me as a young specialist. I want to say thanks to the entire team that work of the upper section of the gastric intestinal tract. They help to see new diseases and work out in details the aspects of endoscopic surgery. They show the brilliant work of specialists. The theoretical part was complete, and we used the knowledge to work on biomodels on the Olympic Center. I tried to perform ICP the first time in my life. My wonderful education ended with the Young Scientist Conference, when I made many new friends. At the IDEN conference, I met the leaders of Endoscopy Society of South Korea and Japan and the European Society of Gastroenterology. We had the opportunity to talk to them and ask questions, because everyone wants to be a leader in endoscopy. The most important things, learn, and learn. At the end of the story, I would like to tell you what changed in my endoscopy work. I have started diagnosis a new disease like a lymphoma of duodenum. I have used the dissection technique to perform it faster. I have become braver and confident. Endoscopy is not just a job, it is way of life. Let your eyes sparkle, let your work flow smoothly, and let your knowledge grow. Thank you so much for organizing these wonderful opportunities. 감사합니다. Спасибо.